Our technology as it relates to automotive displays is unique in that it is extremely robust at a relatively low price point.
Key area for us now and in automotive going forward is for the rear view mirrors for the Child Safety Act standard that's coming out in the US, where if you put your vehicle into reverse, if there's a child or somebody else behind you, the rear view camera in the vehicle comes on. So by the time you put the car in reverse or actually switch on your vehicle, put the car in reverse, the center display can be powered up and give the rear view camera.
We can take any type of video source, analog or digital, we scale it and deinterlace it into the proper size and format for the particular LCD, and then we can drive that LCD directly. The time in which it takes to display video is critical. If it takes 2, 3, 5 seconds, that might be too long.
In my vehicle, which is a 2006, it has a rear view camera, but by the time I switch the vehicle on, put it in reverse, I could be halfway down the street before the actual camera kicks in.
Intersil's portfolio of automotive products, especially as it relates to the LCD, the display, that led us into the automotive market. Because of the feature set being unique and the quality of the product, we became a dominant player in automotive.